Chagas disease is the clinical condition that ensues chronic infections by the flagellate protozoan Trypanosoma cruzi. The disease attacks the heart of chronically infected people several decades after acquisition of the infections. A cross-kingdom model system shows that chicken eggs are permissive to the Trypanosoma cruzi infections during the first week of embryo growth. The experiments show that infection-free chickens retaining the parasite kDNA into their genomes die of Chagas heart disease. Excellent housing, food, and water supply secures animal welfare. The Trypanosoma cruzi trypamastogoat swimming forms are obtained from tissue culture. Transilluminate fertile chicken eggs to show their bubble. Control eggs do not receive parasite inoculation. Mock control eggs are inoculated with 10 microliter of culture medium. The whole is sealed with adhesive tape. 100 virulent Leishmania brasiliensis pro-mastigoats are inoculated in the air chamber of fertilized chicken egg. 100 virulent Trypanosoma cruzi triple mastigoats in 10 microliter of culture medium are inoculated in the air chamber.